percentage, you know that you need to multiply by 100%. Now we use the concept of a word problem. How do we tackle a word problem? Your page 106 of a textbook, you have this problem on guava. So I'm going to go through the guava question. This box has 50 guavas. 16% of the guavas are rotten. Find the number of guava that are good. Means those guava they are not rotten. Okay? So 16%. How do I know how many guavas are those? I'm going to write out. What is the meaning of 16%? So let me write out. What is the meaning of 16%? Okay, if I want to convert 16% to fraction, yesterday, if I want to convert to percentage, you multiply by 100%, correct? But today, I want to convert back to fraction. So 16%. Anna, can you tell me what's the meaning of 16% in fraction? Yesterday was multiplied by 100. So if I want to convert back to fraction, it's as good as telling me it's 16 over 16 over 100. Thank you. So 16% has the same meaning as 16 over 100. Why do I need to convert to fraction? Because I need to find out, all right, out of the 50 guava, how many guavas are rotten? So I'm going to do the calculation right now. 16% is 16 over 100. So I want to find out the guavas that are rotten. So how do I do that? So 16, because you are good at multiplication. So after I convert to fraction, I need to find out the guavas. Okay, now press the calculator. 16 over 100 multiplied by 50. What is your answer? Good. Okay, if you press the calculator, you will have 8. So Azik, the 8 guavas, are they good or rotten? 16% are rotten. So we calculated 16% of 50 guavas is equivalent to 8. So these 8 guavas, are they good or rotten? Rotten, so I put in bracket so you understand. So these 8 guavas are rotten. But our job is not to find the rotten guava. I need to find the good guavas. So I need, how to find the good guavas? There are 15 of them. Thank you very much. So total there are 50. So if I minus the rotten one, so 50 minus 8. So if you press your calculator, you will get 42. Thank you very much. So I'll highlight I'll underline the last one. These are the good guavas. Okay, notice I put the answer in bracket. So I'm telling you what you need to do. Because if you just give me numbers, I don't know what you are doing. All right? Slightly different. The price of a teapot after a discount of 25% is $39. They want to find the original price. Okay, first thing to take note. Original price usually is how many percent? 100. Okay, most of you are already telling yourself original price is usually 100%. So I just write in over here first. Original price is usually 100%. But there was a discount of 25%. Zoo, if there's a 25% discount, right, how many percent is that? If there is a discount of 25% from the original 100%, so how many percent is that? Sorry? No. The discount was 25% from the original 100%. So what is the price of the teapot after the 25% discount? The discount is 25%, right? But the original price is 100%. So the teapot is sold at how many percent?
Okay, so Anna is saying after the discount, you will be minus.
Okay, the rest,
Okay,
please
the
mute
rest,
your mic. Other than me
other
talking,
than
the
me
rest, please
talking,
mute
the
your
rest
mic.
of
Thank you
your
very
mind.
much.
Very much.
Nas, okay, so there is a discount. It's no longer selling at 100%. It's cheaper than 100%. Okay, so very good. Anna already say 100% minus 25% to get, press the calculator. All right, like what Anna say, is equal to 75%. Oh, what does this mean? This means that the teapot was sold at 75%. Correct? Because it's discounted, it's cheaper. Okay, please try to follow up. All right, it's cheaper. So this means, I draw an arrow for you. This 75% is $39 because after the discount, all right, it's $39. Okay, if you need to write down on your textbook, please do so, because all this working, you need it for the work later. Very similar. Okay, so now, something a little bit new, but not very new because you have done it in algebra before. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so I just draw the arrow, but I'm going to put it in mathematics now. 75%, which is the discounted price, the teapot is $39. But I don't want to find the discounted price. I want to find the original price. Go back to original price again. Original price is how many percent? I see. Can you read the question? Original price, I wrote just now. Original price is always 100%. Very good. I leave a space in between. Okay, you will understand why later. Because the original price, you see down here, the original price is always 100%. But if we have learned in scale, it's very difficult for us to get from 75% to 100%. It's always very easy for us to get to a special number. What is that special number? Aziz is correct. We always get to the special number 1. So I'm going to write in red color now. Always get to the special number 1. Aziz, how to get 75 to number 1? Divide by the number itself. So I write in bracket 75. All right, divide by 75. Okay, you can write down the working. I'm doing it slowly because later the questions are very similar. They just change the number. Okay, Azik say we need to change to the special number. 75 to become number 1. I divide everything by 75. So 39 divided by 75. All right, so but I don't press the calculator because this is not my final step. All right, so what do you need to do? From 1 to get to 100. What must I do to get number 1 to 100? Number 1 to get to 100. Recall? Nas, can you remember how to get number 1 to 100? Times. Very good, thank you. So number 1 to get to 100, you multiply. All right, but just now, the number to get to number 1, you divide. Okay, so I will need to multiply by 100. So now you can press the calculator already. All right, so I'm going to write down the working. You have to press the calculator for me. So 39 over 75 times 100. So just have to press the calculator now. Okay, can you do that for me? All right, so if you press the calculator, you have an exact value of 52. We don't have to worry about estimation. There you go. You can see, look at the full question. Oh, so the original price was actually $52. After the discount, it becomes $39. This is what the question is talking about. Okay? Okay, if you still need to copy down, please do so. And good news, one more question and that's it. All right? Then I'll leave you to do the work. One last question. So the last question is on page 107 as well. Okay, you can refer to your picture or your textbook. How about you try the question yourself first? I give you 3 minutes. The question is in your handphone. Okay, I'm going to scroll up the question now. Okay, I will give yourself maybe 3 minutes. You see what you can do first. All right. So Ravi was driving on the highway. All right, the speed changed. So I'm going to highlight. There's a change in the speed. So I'll highlight some of the key information. From 120, it changed to 84. So what are we supposed to do? I want to find the percentage decrease. So these are the key information I can obtain from the question. Okay, let me recap. We found the change. Big number minus small number will be 120 minus 84. So your change was 36. But using the formula that I wrote down, all right, in general, whatever increase or decrease, you need to divide by the original number. Once you have a fraction, then you multiply by 100% to get your percentage, because that is what we need to find, percentage. So our change is 36, am I right? So what is the original number in this question? Is it 120 or 84? No. The original number. The original speed. Was it 120 or was it 84? Because it started at 120. So the original one is 120. You see? I just fill in the number only. So we always find the change. After the change, you divide by the original number. Is this percentage? This is only a fraction. Am I right? This is only a fraction. So, if this is a fraction, I need to convert to percentage. What must I do? We did it yesterday. What did we do? Multiply by 100%. So, can you press your calculator now? Okay? Okay? Double check. You will get a very nice whole number. My answer is 30%. Correct? My answer is 30%. So, please underline the final answer. All right? This is the last question I'm going through today. All right? Okay. Now, give me a while. Okay, let me mark the attendance first. Then I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. Okay, give me 1 minute. I need to mark attendance. Okay, so I have concluded the lesson today.